Hey Tube, welcome back. Problem number 160, intersection of two linked lists. We are given two singly linked lists, head A and head B, which may or may not intersect at some node. Our goal is to find and return the node where the two linked lists intersect. If there is no intersection, we will return null. So there are some key observations that we need to put in mind. The two linked lists may have different lengths. If they intersect, the intersection is a shared node, basically, meaning both lists point to the same memory address at the node. After the intersection, both lists share the remaining nodes. Okay, for example, we have A and B. Both of them share 8. The intersected node is 8. Okay, how we can solve this? Because I guess Leet could put a lot of description to this problem that makes it not that easy to understand. But this problem solving is really easy. So we will initialize our two pointers like PA for head A. Okay, let's just make it like that. Okay. So basically, we will create like two pointers, one for head A and another one for head B. And after that, we traverse the lists. Like when PA reaches the end of the of list A, we move to head B. When PB reaches the end of the list B, we move to head A. And we keep moving both pointers on one step at a time. If the lists intersect, the pointer will eventually meet at the intersection node. If the list does not intersect, both pointers will become null at the same time. So let's try to understand how this will work. Let me delete this. Yeah. So we start first with our 2 pointers, but there is something also important that we want to make sure that we don't have any base cases. So if we don't have head A or we don't have head B, if that was a case, we return null because there is no intersection at all if there is no head. Okay, after that, I will create the pointers. So I'll call it PA. It will be for pointer A. It will equals head A, and we will have also let PB, and it will equals head B. Okay, so I create a while loop, and in the while loop, I would say if PA doesn't equal PB, if they doesn't equal each other, that means they are not, there is no intersection yet, so we will move. So we'll say PA will equals PA. If PA is, if we still have PA, will be PA dot next. If it's not equal anything, we will move it to the head B. And I will do the same at PB. If PB is there, we will PB dot next. Otherwise we'll have head A. Okay, and after that, I guess I'll return PA. Let me run and see if it works or not. Submit again. Okay, how does this work? Let's make an explanation for this one. So if the two linked lists have an intersection, then by switching the pointers, we equalizing the distance they travel. Each pointer traverses the same total distance, like the length of A plus the length of B. So if there is if there is like an intersection, both pointers will meet at the intersection node. If there is no intersection, both pointers will reach null at the same time. Okay, let's make an example walking through so we can understand this one quite better. Let's say that we have list A and list B. Let me copy this code so we can understand it. So we have here list A and list B, and the intersection point. Okay, do you know where is the intersection point? I want you to think about it. Okay, so first let's put list A, and let's put list B. So list A is 41845, and list B will be 416, and it's always also pointing to 8, because as you can see the intersection point is 8, this one here. So this is how it works. So the first step, if we try to think about what this one, the first step, like step number 1, the PA will equals 4, because we're starting here, and PB will equals 5. Okay. In the second one, the PA will equals 1, the PB will equals 6, and we continue until we reach the third one, and that means the PA will equals 8 and the PB will equals also 8. And by then one, we just, we found our intersection, and that's it. It's a pretty simple way to solve the problem. So yeah, that's it for this problem, and see you in future problems.